In this video, I'll show you how to add transitions in Google Slides. Transitions are the visual effects that play when one slide changes to the next. Google's official Slides help says you add them from the slide menu by choosing Transition, and from there you can also control the transition speed and preview how it looks. Google also notes that slide transitions and animations are edited on a computer, not in the mobile app. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer. Then click the slide on the left that you want to add a transition to. After that, go to the top menu, click Slide, and choose Transition. Google says this opens the motion panel on the right side of the screen. Now look under Slide Transition in that panel. Open the drop-down menu and choose the transition style you want to use. Once you pick one, adjust the speed by dragging the slider. If you want to see how it looks, click play to preview it before moving on. Google confirms that both the transition type and its speed are controlled from this panel. If you want different slides to have different effects, repeat the same process on each slide. Click the next slide, go back to slide, choose transition, and set a new effect. This is useful when you want a simple fade for most slides and maybe a stronger effect only on key sections of the presentation. You can also add object animations from the same motion panel. Google says after opening the transition area, you can click Add Animation and choose how text, images, or shapes appear on the slide. You can set those animations to start on click, after previous, or with previous, and you can also adjust their speed. That means the same panel controls both slide transitions and on-slide animations. One helpful tip is not to overuse transitions. A clean presentation usually looks better when you use one or two transition styles consistently instead of giving every slide a different effect. Also, if you are working from a phone or tablet, Google says you need to use slides.google.com on a computer to add or edit transitions and animations. So the steps are simple. Open Google Slides on your computer, select a slide, click Slide, choose Transition, pick the effect you want, adjust the speed, and preview it. That's how to add transitions in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.